He said,
You're Marcus Miles. In 25 CR 1635, what is it? Announcement.
Yes, Judge, Mr. Miles is dissatisfied with my services and would like a different lawyer.
So it has everything there.
Why?
And all the doctors.
Because I feel like
Go back.
I'm being incriminated,
That's not the word.
criminalized,
That's not criminalized.
criminalized
Again.
with malicious intent. Man, I feel like because I'm.
Okay, well, he's not the one that brought the charge. The grand jury did.
I mean,
Not him. The grand jury brought this charge. He's trying to help you.
just so they did go.
Huh?
They did me go from the house, and I didn't know, which they told me the case had been dismissed. Your
Oh, but that's why God invented trials. They say there's an issue. They contend the indictment is correct. He says it's not right. You're not guilty. That's where we are on this. That means it goes to trial.
Judge, just for clarification, this case was re-indicted to correct one of the officer names in the indictment. So there was a dismissal and a re-indictment, but it's the same case, just for clarification purposes.
It was dismissed because it was
Re-indicted.
mistaken. There were some mistaken words, and then you re-indicted it
Yes.
to correct it.
And this active case is the re-indictment.
Well, all I've got is just this one, 25 CR 1635. That was
Because the other
Indicted.
case has already been
Okay.
dismissed.
29, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Yeah, that's what this is. But no, you don't get to, did you hire him? Or no, you can't just fire them like that. You can hire anybody you want, and that's your choice with your money. But all you get under the law is a competent lawyer, which he is. He's a fighter. He fights for people. But you don't get to change lawyers because the law has already been ruled on that. If you start that, you could do it all day long for the next 100 years, change lawyers, and we'd never get anything done. Well, the Supreme Court said that's not the way it works. You're entitled to a competent lawyer, and he's very competent. Now, I want to know, what do y'all want to do? Is there an offer that he's going to consider, or do we have to go to trial? That's all I need to know.
There's been one relayed, Judge.
Okay, and you related it to him, Brent?
I did, Judge.
And he says he wants a trial, which he has. That's what this Constitution says. You get a right to a trial. You don't get a right to a plea deal, but they still make plea deals. You don't have to take it, but this is your day. You got to tell me which direction you want to go. If you want a trial, you get it.
You know what, Your Honor? I'll sign for the plea. I'll sign for the plea.
What he said.
That was-
Years is the
Oh, the offer?
Yeah.
I mean.
Okay. All right, we'll write it up,
First,
Brent.
like two,
Write it up.
I did say two at first when I had my other lawyer.
Well, were you negotiating with them?
No, I've just been on the
That was
case
Mr.
with Brent.
When I had my other lawyer, David A. Groves.
Okay. Well,
That was also not my case at that.
that's not her case, but that wasn't before me. It didn't come before me. So what happens is when they re-indict, I mean, it's a new game between lawyers.
I wasn't on the case, so I can't speak to whether.
Well, she said she's
They don't
after
have any
3 years.
notice.
If y'all want to do that,
Yeah.
write it up so we can go. How long have you been in jail?
I've been in jail.
How much time is
As
this
far as
credit?
they say.
I'll tell you exactly. She'll tell you exactly. So you know where you stand. You get credit for all of that, Marcus. You know that.
Yes, sir.
You don't.
I'm just tired.
And then, yeah, and then you still get good time, and you're parolable. You'll get paroled at a certain time, and this is not an aggravated offense, so it's a quarter of the time. You could get paroled in a quarter of the time. If it's 3, that's 36. 4 into 36 is what? 9 months. That's what that's what you're gonna have to serve before you parole.
77 days.
You got 77 days, she says.
Judge, it's 120. I called the jail this morning. They had
He was-
to the other case.
Yeah, he was
So they
re-arrested.
brought it back to the other?
Yep.
Okay.
It's probably to show on this current cause number. I talked to the jail this morning.
Yeah, that's an unofficial number.
Yeah.
I have to do more research when I get in the back when I actually do.
I talked to Miss Katrina Keel.
Oh, okay, yeah.
She says-
Yes.
She was telling you how much credit he has?
Yes, sir. I called this morning. It's about 100.
Okay, whatever.
No, you're good. I know you're doing it now.
Yeah.
Sometimes they don't give them
I'm sorry.
at the end of the day, the jail people have the right numbers, not us. But they give us data and sometimes they don't update data. All right, write it up and let me know when y'all are ready and we'll move it. Thanks.